Started from a fro, now we here.
Oh my gosh. Running through a check. Hey, running through a check.
Short clip, you can see how I prep my hair. I use warm water, I use my homemade butter, and then I just section to, make it look as neat as I could and twist it down. For the base, I interlock the root. I use a crochet needle. That's all I had at the time. I don't have the little tool just yet, but I use a 2-point rotation. That's just the easiest for me as what I've learned, and I do 2 rotations of the 2 points. What up? What it do? What? MICROLOCS journey starting where? Here. Started from a fro, now we here. Started from a fro, now we here.
Oh my gosh.
As you can tell, I'm super excited. I'm starting my MICROLOCS hair journey. I've had my MICROLOCS installed for about a week. I did it myself. Okay, I'm hyped. But I'm so excited for this, okay? I established my locks January 25th through the 28th. I did a few sections each day, and I got it done. The back was a struggle. But I got it done, okay? I was determined to get it done. I was determined. I've been wanting to lock my hair for a long time, but I was doing so much with my hair, my natural hair, my loose natural hair. I was doing so much with it, color, shaving it off. I was just having fun, trying different things, but I got to a point where it's like, I'm over it. I didn't want to detangle my hair anymore. I would literally just shampoo, deep condition my hair, and just leave it in like a puff or 2 puffs. And then I'm like, I got to wet my hair again and detangle it because I didn't stretch it. I have freedom. Freedom. Like, all I got to do is wet my hair with warm water and then do my little, my lavender mist and then put some oil. And that's it. I can shake and go. Who? When? Where? How? Me. Now. Oh, you hating? My son in the cut looking at me like, girl, you was doing the most. So I went from a loose natural, and I'm going to go to a lock natural. And I'm excited for this. And new journey, I'm going to document it here. I'm going to do the best I can. But my goal is to make sure I put out a video once a week. So I appreciate you for watching. Appreciate your support for those who support me. Continue to support me. I appreciate y'all. Oh, follow me on Instagram. I have a new Instagram account at e.thatshayway. All right. And I'll be documenting more on there. So thank you for tuning in.